Hello friends and welcome back to my YouTube channel Crypto Gold. Hope you all are doing great. So finally I'm here to tell about the amazing project, but before starting the video I would like to ask you that if you're new in my channel, so kindly subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for the further notifications. So let's start the review. First of all, I want to ask you that I'm not their financial advisor. I'm just telling you about their amazing project, Niga Coin. About Niga Coin. Welcome to Niga Coin, the cutting-edge meme coin on the Solana blockchain. We merge innovation with a powerful cultural mission celebrating Black excellence and driving financial empowerment. Invest in Niga Coin and join a community poised for growth and innovation. Together we create a new era of inclusive and dynamic digital currency. Next we have their pre-sale. You can also see their contract address from here. Not for buying the coin, don't send anything to it or they will be lost forever. Buy on DEX. Use your Fanta wallet or connect to Radium or Jupiter to buy tokens. How to buy? Check our tutorial, read frequently asked questions, or simply use our wiki. Buy on CEX. Tokens will be listed on most popular CEX. You can also read the frequently asked questions from here, like what is Niga Coin? Niga Coin is a cryptocurrency designed to empower the Black community, promote economic freedom, and celebrate Black culture through blockchain technology. Here you can see further more frequently asked questions from here. You can read their all questions from here. Next we have pre-sale bonuses on each round. Unallocated round token will be burned. Maximum investment 500 SOL, minimum investment 0.1 SOL. Here you can see their rounds, maximum of 48 hours each stage. Next we have their roadmap, Niga Coin roadmap. Roadmap to revolutionary change. Phase 1, project preparation and pre-sale. Project planning, define vision, goal and initial plan. Community marketing, build a vibrant community through social media and events. Cultural events, celebrate Black culture through events like Black History Month. Pre-sale launch, begin pre-sale of 30% of Niga Coin for initial funding. Phase 2, DEX listing and market expansion. DEX listing, list Niga Coin on various decentralized exchange. Liquidity provision, ensure smooth trading on DEX. Price formation and marketing, conduct large-scale marketing and collaborate with Black celebrities, prioritizing investors' interest and Niga Coin's market value. Phase 3, staking, launch and tier to exchange listing. Community program, launch airdrop and staking reward. Feature development, develop real world use case feature. Cultural partnership, collaborate with Black cultural organization. Tier 2 listing, list on multiple tier 2 exchange. Phase 4, global expansion and tier 1 listing. Global marketing, increase brand awareness globally. Tier 1 listing, confirm and schedule listing on major tier 1 exchange. Prioritizing investor interest. Niga Coin places the highest importance on investor interest and market value, ensuring price formation align with the priorities and benefits of our investors. Unleash the power of Niga Coin community. At Niga Coin, we are dedicated to taking up this status and using disruption as a force for good. Our cutting-edge coin mechanism empowers our community and fuels significant innovation. Join us in driving position change through bold innovative solution. Pre-sale 30%, secure initial funding and finances early project stage, establish key partnership and ensure a robust launch. Number 2, liquidity provision. Number 3, community incentives and reward. Number 4, marketing and partnership. Number 5, development and foundation operations. Number 6, early contribution and team. Number 7, emergency funds. Next we have their Niga Coin community. Connect with us on social media for the latest update and announcement. You can also join their Telegram community and their Twitter account. You must join their Telegram community for latest update, and you can also join their Twitter account. You can follow them on Twitter. Uniting our strength to write a new history, the revolution of Niga. You can also read their risk warning from here. Niga Coin is the audacious project that challenges conventional norms with innovative rebellion. It attracts a passionate community that embraces chaos as a driving force of transformation change. This is an amazing project. Now I am showing you their Niga Coin wiki. Welcome to the Niga Coin wiki. All the information you need is here. What is Niga Coin? Niga Coin is a groundbreaking cryptocurrency designed to empower the Black community through economic freedom and cultural celebration, as I already told you about it. And you can also read their all information about Nega Coin. This is an amazing project. I hope you like the video. We will meet in the next video. Bye.